Hi friends, welcome to Tech World, and in this video we will learn how to convert these old speakers into the 3.5 mm jack compatible speakers. So these are the old speaker, so these are the T series model, and so I had this speaker from quite a long time, and these speaker are around 20 years old. I purchased the T series music system around the year 2000, and these are the old desktop speakers, and so these had the old types of connector. And in today's generation, as you know, we have the 3.5 mm jack, Bluetooth and aux connectivity. So these speakers are incompatible with today's generations. So in this video we will learn how to make these compatible with today's generation's audio connector. So as you can see, the condition of the speakers, they are quite old. So here we get the woofer here, and here we get the two tweeters here in this section. And this piece also had this kind of tray, but it got broken off, so now it is without the front tray. And so this front tray was removable, so we can also remove the front tray for this piece as well. The front protection for this piece was kind of broken, so I removed it, and the audio quality of the speakers was quite good at that time. So I'll show you what kind of connectors we get in these speakers. So these are the speakers itself, and as you can see, this is the T series and the model is TSS 3000 AVR. So it is a quite old speakers and the deck system. It was the CD and cassette player audio system that used to come at that time. So it had this kind of setup, and we got these buttons here, and when we press these buttons we can connect two wires here. So when we press these buttons we can insert two wires, and those wires were connected to the back panel of the music system, and that's how these speakers work. This was for the left or the right, and these were two speakers which we used to connect to the audio system. So friends, in order to convert these old speakers in compatible to the new technology or the current technology we have, we need some accessories so that we can make work these old bookshelf speakers work to the new technology. First of all, we need a wire, the audio speaker wire. So this kind of wire we need. So as you can see here, the wire, these are the two channel wire. So this is the two channel wire. So this wire we need, so approximately we can take 2 feet depending upon where we want to position these speakers. So according to our requirement for our length, we can buy this audio wire, and it should have two channel like this, and this will be for one speaker, and we need two wires like this. So we can take a 4 feet wire and divide it into 2 feet each, or either we can buy two parts of 2 feet wire. So we need this kind of wire. Next part which we need in order to convert these speakers is the amplifier. So this is the amplifier, the Li-Pi amplifier. So this is the amplifier, the Li-Pi amplifier. So I purchased this amplifier on Amazon, and also I will provide the link for this product so that you can also purchase this amplifier. So this amplifier comes at the cost of around rupees 800 to 900. So you can purchase this amplifier on Amazon. So this amplifier will be needed, and the wires which we connect to the speakers needed to be connected on the back panel of this amplifier. So this is the back portion of the amplifier, and this is the power input of the amplifier, and these are the RCA connectors. So these RCA connection we get one connection for the 3.5 mm jack, and we can connect the jack either to our phone, or we can connect that to our computer or any other music system which has a 3.5 mm jack. Also we can connect that 3.5 mm jack to the Bluetooth dongle as well, so that we can make these speakers compatible with the Bluetooth as well. So this is the RCA cable, friends, which will help us to get a 3.5 mm jack input to this amplifier. So we will connect So we will connect this RCA jack to this portion here, and we will get the 3.5 mm jack here, and we can connect this jack to our computer, which will provide to the input. So this is the input for the amplifier, and the input will go here in this area, that is the RCA portion, and we will get the output from here. So we will connect our both the speaker in these areas, and according to the polarity, like red into red and black into black. So we will connect these speakers, and we will check the sound, what is the sound is like. Also, if you're liking this video, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please like and share this video. Friends, I have connected the wires to the connectors of the amplifier. So I have made these two connections here, and each of these connection will now go to our speakers, to the left and the right speaker, these speakers on the back side, and I will connect the other side of these wires to the speaker for the output. Friends, here you can see I have connected the connector, the other side of the wire, to the speaker. Both the speaker I have connected here, as you can see, and it is going into the amplifier, and here I have connected the speaker to the amplifier. Now what you need to do is you need to connect this RCA wire to the amplifier, and we will get this 3.5 mm jack, which can be connected to the computer, MP3 player, or the smartphone, from where we can output our music to the speakers. So we will connect the amplifier to the power. I have this 12 volt adapter, which can be connected to the amplifier, and I will connect the power to the amplifier, and then I will connect the RCA cable to the smartphone. So I have now connected the RCA cable, and this connection is going to this smartphone, the Samsung smartphone, and I will play a track here, and I will then check whether the speakers are working or not. And I have turned this on, so I have connected the charger to the socket, and then I have connected this to the amplifier. So I'll turn on the amplifier, and here I'll play the song to test the audio. So I'll play this track, EDM track. So straight away I'm getting the sound here. I'll turn on the volume here. Turn on the volume from the phone as well. Getting quite good sound from the speakers here, as you can see. In the same way, we can connect this 3.5 mm jack to the Bluetooth dongle as well, so we can operate this speaker through the Bluetooth as well. So quite good sound I am getting from the amplifier, and I am quite happy that my old speakers are now working and I can use them. One cool thing in this amplifier we get is these LED lights. So these LED lights glow according to the music. So also one good thing of this amplifier. So as you can see, the sound is playing, and I'll change one track here. I'll change the track here. So I have changed the track, and now listen to this track. Also we get the bass and the treble option here in the amplifier, so we can also modify these settings according to our need. So this is the volume knob here, and this LEDs will glow according to the music. So in this way I can connect any old fashioned speakers, and I can make it work through our current audio technology, that is the Bluetooth or aux or 3.5 mm jack. So as you can see, the speakers are working. So guys, this was it from this video, and I hope you like this video. I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please like and share this video. We keep bringing you videos like these, tutorials, and also unboxing and review of new products. So request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please like and share this video, and please stay tuned to our channel for all the latest video. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.